as per old concept, uh, palliative care used to start only when the curative treatment is over. Patient were referred to palliative care when all chemotherapy, radiotherapy, everything is over. Then he will refer to palliative care. But as per the new concept, palliative care and all this curative treatment goes hand in hand. Patient should be referred to palliative care department right at the time of diagnosis. So right from the beginning, he establishes rapport with the doctors and staff over there. Secondly, whatever small problems he has, suppose he has been advised biopsy, and he has somebody, his friend has said, "Okay, no, biopsy nahi karane ka, don't undergo biopsy, it will spread your cancer." He wants to have answer to all this confusion. So he can talk to palliative care specialist, and such issues can be resolved. Many of our patients are not ready for chemotherapy or radiation therapy. They have been told by relatives or somebody that it will cause so much of side effect. Then they can be referred to us. We counsel them why there is a fear, what is the background. Because of that, he has developed this fear for the radiotherapy, and also think we explore and try to convince them, and they get ready for the. So palliative care is integrated care, can be given along with chemotherapy, radiotherapy, surgery, whatever the patient is undergoing, and that can improve the outcome of the patient. Definitely there are number of studies where early palliative care reference has got better outcome of the patient. They survive for a longer time. They have got better quality of life. They have got less side effects, and they can manage their side effects. This has been there in the reviews of many literature, and it has been proved. One of my patient who was a school teacher, and he had a head and neck, he had cancer of the buccal mucosa of the cheek, and he was on the radiotherapy. After surgery, he was given radiotherapy. After 4 to 5 radiotherapy, he started developing ulcers in his mouth. And he refused that, I don't want to take radiotherapy anymore. Somehow he came to me with reference also, and we treated his mouth ulcers, build up his morale, that this is a temporary phase. You have to just undergo, you might have to bear some pain. We are there with you to relieve your pain and suffering and all your issues. Then he was not able to take anything by mouth. We made him undergo a small operation, and a tube was inserted in his stomach. We call it PAC tube, through which he started getting food, his liquid diet, and he completed the radiotherapy, and his cancer was cured. He remained disease-free for about 2 years, and then he developed recurrence. But so this is the thing that these patients, when they are undergoing whether curative treatment or whatever, they have got many small issues. If you address them, it really helps, uh, and you have to individualize the treatment. Individual requirements are different from patient to patient. So many of the patient will not like tube in the nostril. So we give them option of having tube in the stomach, which will be covered under his shirt.
Yes,
right. So
yes.
it will not be visible, and it is a temporary thing. After radiotherapy, it can be pulled out. Such things we have to evaluate, and we can address that if proper palliative care is given.